Indian economics is the study of the economic development, policies, and issues that shape the nation. It covers a wide range of topics including agriculture, industry, trade, and public finance. As one of the fastest-growing economies in the world, India faces both opportunities and challenges in its path to development. Agriculture plays a vital role in India's economy, providing livelihoods for a large portion of the population. Recent initiatives like the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana and the National Agricultural Market aim to improve agricultural productivity and farmers' income. However, challenges such as low productivity, water scarcity, and dependence on monsoons continue to affect the sector. The industrial sector in India has also seen significant growth, particularly in manufacturing and services. Initiatives like Make in India and Startup India aim to boost industrial output, attract foreign investment, and promote entrepreneurship. The services sector, including IT, finance, and telecommunications, has been a major driver of India's economic growth. Trade and commerce are essential to India's economy, with the country being a key player in global trade. Policies like the Goods and Services Tax (GST) have simplified the tax structure, while free trade agreements and foreign direct investment (FDI) continue to attract global partners. Public finance is critical in managing government revenue and expenditure. The government's focus on inclusive growth, poverty reduction, and infrastructure development through schemes like the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act (NREGA) reflects its commitment to improving the economic well-being of its citizens. Indian economics is shaped by both domestic and global factors, including inflation, fiscal policies, and international trade relations. Understanding these dynamics is crucial for managing India's growth and ensuring a sustainable economic future.